welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and we're going to be unboxing my Genglow box for May and June, and this is a self-care subscription. It's $50 or $54 a month, and July 1st, the price is going to go up. I don't know how much it's going to go up, but I do know that if you're a current subscriber, you'll keep the lower price. And if you subscribe before July 1st, you'll keep the $54 price. So, we will start with the May. And this is how it comes. And May's theme is Tropical Escape. And you do get a list of telling you about everything you got and the prices, which I love. And they usually have a couple of stickers on the top. And the first thing I see is a candle, and I believe you always usually get a candle and some jewelry, and then bath bombs and things like that. So this is peach and mango scented, and it smells amazing. And it has the wooden wick, and it says it would be $22, and it is a 4-ounce candle. The next thing is a pineapple punch body butter. And that is by Bella Bear. And it says that it would be $8.99. And it's a 3.4 ounce, so it's pretty small. It's like it would be like a deluxe sample size. Then we got a You Are Flamazing handcrafted bath bomb. And I seen where it said you could get a shower, steamer, or bath bomb. I don't take baths, so I wish I'd have got a shower steamer, but I will pass this along to my daughter. And it would be $7. And this is a Cocoa Day lip balm by True. And it says it would be $3.50. It says the date, wait, that's the wrong thing. Anyways, I don't know. I don't think I see this on here, so it might be an extra. usually get a snack, and this is True Bar cookie dough, and that would be $3.50. And some Flamingo iPads by Cala. You can have them hot or cold. Reduces puffiness and relieves tension. Those are so cute. It says these would be $6. They only have a pair of flamingo earrings. And they are really cute and pretty. I'm just not sure that I would ever wear them. I wouldn't. But they are cute and have diamond rhinestones on them. And it says they would be $16. And they're by Genglow, so. Okay, then it looks like we got a Dream Odyssey makeup bag. And I have gotten like crossbody bags before. Well, I remember at least getting one. So you can get a handbag or things like that. You just never know what it's gonna be. That's why I like it so much. It says Cosmic Wash Bag Dream Odyssey Aqua Stripe Star Design. They say this would be $25. Now, it's just your regular like plastic and a decent size, but not huge or anything. So the $25, I wouldn't pay that for it. And then we got a Soothe Me Tea Tree Skin Calming Mask by Face Tory. And it's a two-step. It says soothing and clearing. And it would be $3.99. And I always love getting a mask. And then I think this is the last thing. It says that it's a abstract tropical print tassel open front kimono. Purple, you could get purple or orange. I got the purple. And it's by Rye Fashion. It says that it would be $34. So I'm glad I got the purple because it's my favorite color. So there it is. And that is cute. And there's the little tassels on the end. I like the print a lot. So that is it for the May box. And I will be back with the June. Okay, so now we have the June Genglow, and this month's is called Ocean Breeze, is the theme. We got, it's cute how they put the stickers. This time we got seashell stickers, and they kind of just place them on top like that. Anyways, those are just stickers that we got. And we got a "Hey beautiful, drink some water" is what it says. And here is the brand. And I think that this is actually I think there's a box, a subscription box by this. So let's see what it looks like. It says that it's 17.5 ounces. It's a glass bottle, features a silicone sleeve, bamboo lid, and polyethylene, I don't know, I'm not sure how to say that, straw, and it's dishwasher safe. Hand wash the lid. And it would be $22. And I do like the color. It's like a aqua color. It says "Do it, drink me." So I like that. And there is the lid. And the straw. And there is the straw. So I like that. Okay, next we have a oops, I dropped it. It's in this. It says it's a true story about whales. Anyways, I won't read all that, but let's see what this is. If I can, okay, it's color changing whale lip balm by Base Blue Cosmetics. It says whale color changing lip balm has an ultra hydrating formula with the freshness of ocean. It features a cute whale shaped top and two striped colored in sky blue and ocean blue. It goes on blue, reacts to your lips pH pH revel, and then I think it's supposed to be pH level, but it says revel, and then transforms into the shade that is the most flattering for you. And I don't think I've ever tried a lip product like that. But there is the whale that's on the top. And then there is what it looks like. So that is really neat. I like that. I have lip gloss on, so I'm not sure if this will do anything. But I'll try and I'll see if it does anything. And it says it would be $15. Okay, next we have our 100% soy wax candle. It's by Genglow Candles. It's 4 ounce. It's Ocean Breeze, so I'm sure that's gonna smell really good. Yes, their candles always smell so good. And look, it's got a turtle and a starfish on top. That's so cute. I love that. And it says this would be $22. This is a Hand Defense by Spongel hand sanitizer. Sea Salt Rose. Refresh and hydrate with vitamin E and glycerin. 90 plus uses, 70% alcohol. So that's nice to have. And it would be $15. We got a Ocean Spray Foaming Salt Scrub by Bella Bear. And it says dive into the ocean, scrub, lather, and reveal fresh glowing skin. So there it is. And it says it would be $6.50. And it is a really pretty blue color. So I like this kind of like the ocean thing. Then we got an Earth Harbor Mermaid Milk Nutrient Glow Moisturizer. And this would be $45. And I'm not sure if I have this or not. It seems like I might already have one of these, but I haven't used it yet. But it says 100% plant-based replenishing moisturizer that provides hydration and balances skin while also giving you a radiant mermaid glow. Then we have a tiny little Kind bar. It says Kind Minis. I didn't know they made minis, but it's tiny. And I guess that's a extra since it's a mini because it's not on here. So we got one more thing, and it is a dolphin necklace. And it says it would be $8.99. So that is pretty. Has the dolphin there, and I love the color. It's really pretty. So I will definitely wear that. And that is it for the May and June. And I don't see that the lip did anything. But like I said, it might be because I have already had lip gloss on. It was a clear lip gloss, but I can't tell anything right now. So anyways, I thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.